Hiya, welcome back to another video. I was doing a job the other day on the Defender, which we'll go out and show you, but this should just be a quick one today, and preventive maintenance, to be honest. So what am I always going like that when I say preventive? That's weird. Anyway, so it's just a little job, something to keep your eye out for, and something that could save you a whole world of pain. So we'll go out in the car, I'll show you, and then we'll do it. So I was changing the hoses, water hoses to silicone, but just checking the others while I was here, and I noticed that on my turbo hose there's an accident waiting to happen. You can see there, look. So today's little job is replacing it. Now I've got a non-standard pipe. Oh, let's zoom out a little bit, because this used to have a bigger turbo on it. But I'll go in the garage and I'll show you that. There you go. So that was I'll get it out another day, another video, but to be honest, when I got the Defender, I just took it back to a stock turbo, because I think as these things are getting older, I stand more of a chance of getting parts for a stock turbo than a different turbo if I'm away from civilization. Not that I plan on being away from civilization, but there you go. So yeah, so I went back to a stock turbo, but the induction pipe work stayed on the Defender. So there we go. So yeah, I was searching on that online auction site, the just for 300 TDI outlet, turbo outlet, and came across this for it was £8, I think. So I thought it was alright. And the water hoses are black because they were cheap. Some of the turbo hoses are blue because they were already on there. And this is red because it was £7. But, you know, seems alright. That should fit. So I'll go and bung it on the car. But that should save me some pain, I think. Good spot, I think. I mean, it's a simple job, isn't it, really? Just sort of undoing some hose clips. Every time I work on the car, it's like rush hour. I don't think I'd gone all the way through, but definitely time to change it there. This is smaller, but it was a bit squidged in. I'm not standing on my milk crate, so I can't reach properly. I've got no leverage. I'll go and get my milk crate. I always do this. Get the end of my bloody glove caught in the Jubilee clip. That's alright. Blue one would have cost me more. Right. It's been on there a long time, that has. That blue one. That's what the old turbo was. It was mucky from the old turbo. It's still quite clean. Spend more money and get the right colour, or don't give a what colour it is, and job done.